I'm making this video for my friend Denaya. I think that's how you say it, or Danya. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. I'm really sorry. Yeah, but I want to let you guys know how much I love her, and she is so amazing, and she got me through a lot when in the summertime. She was always there for me, and she is such a good friend, and she is absolutely beautiful. Seriously, I'm jealous of her because she is so pretty, and I'm like a big ball of blahickey. Yeah. I don't know, but yeah. Hi Denaya. I'm making this video especially for you because you're so amazing, and I'm talking like this for no reason, and it keeps getting higher and higher, but I'm so weird and good day, sir. I love you guys. Bye.